Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Sunday, December 13th, 2020. I'm getting ready to run my COVID-19 prediction, U.S. COVID-19 prediction for April 1st, 2021. So this is by April 1st, 2021. These are the numbers I'm going to be predicting. Before we get started, I want to take you back to Worcester University's Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation website. Here you can see this. This is the first of all, this is a smooth curve. Eliminates all the daily volatility, but it still gives us the shape of the data. You can see we're right over here. If nothing changes, they're projecting, well, it's interesting. They actually lowered this number back down. Okay, notice it's 502,256. Let's take a look over here. They lowered they lowered this projection down by over 36,000 deaths. Okay, my model for April 1st says 396,000. Okay, 154 with a plus or minus range of 303,000 to 335,000. So I'm coming in low. I think this number is just way too high. Even without the vaccine, I still think this number is way too high. All right, because we currently only have 282,000 deaths, and we're averaging 1,001 deaths per day. Okay. So the next thing we can do is this. $502,256. Okay. In order for us to reach this number, we have to average 1,999 deaths per day. At the current rate of 1,001 deaths per day, okay, we're going to have we'll have 392,415 by April 1st. Significant difference between that and 502,000. We have to average 199. So let's take a look here. Again, we're averaging 1,101 deaths per day. We have to average 1,999 deaths per day. Average, not the actual day number, but at the average, in order to reach 502,256 by April 1st. Let's take a look here. So here's the average we have to have, 1,199. And here's the actual average today. Look at all the gap in here. All these gaps have to be made up if we're going to all these days when we had below average, when the number of deaths was below the required number, was below 199,000. We have to finish above that number. So at this point, I'm sticking with my model. Once again, my model said by February 1st, 396,154 plus or minus 5%. All right. So I hope this is encouraging to you. My message to you is this: keep up the good work. Wear the mask, practice social distancing, avoid large crowds when possible. Okay, and and we'll beat this rap yet. With or without a vaccine, we'll beat this rap eventually. And I'm still confident God will intervene in order to save America from any more suffering. In order to save, God will intervene to keep Israel from any more suffering, or Spain, or Portugal, or God will even intervene so that California won't have any more, won't be suffering anymore, and Michigan won't be suffering anymore, and New York won't be suffering anymore. My faith is unshakable in God. He has a plan for America. He has a plan for this pandemic. All we have to do is watch for it. Thanks so much for your time. Hope this is encouraging to you if you live in the U.S. We'll catch you on the next report.